Hey guys, welcome back to my new channel, and today we are going to be testing slime if we activate it with Tide and if we add a little bit of bubbles. So I already got a little bit of, I know you usually do it with glue only, but I added a little bit of kids shampoo into here just to see if it might work, but I don't know. And then it's a little bit, I added a little glitter. So right now I'm gonna be adding a little bit of Elmer's glue, but not a lot because I don't feel like making a lot of slime today. Just a little bit of glue. We're done with this glue. And now we're just gonna mix it in with the shampoo. Oh my god. We're just gonna mix it in. It's gonna be, right for now, it's gonna be an orangey color. But it's a really nice color. So now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of the bubbles. Just a tiny bit. Not too much, just in case if it might not activate. Then you mix it, and now I will just mix it in. Ooh, I think we're gonna need a little bit more glue that's left on the box. Okay. I will be back when I get my Tide. Okay, so I brought the Tide. Right now, we are going to be adding a little bit in, because you never want to overactivate it, because you don't know, maybe it's too much, maybe it's not enough. And like, I've heard that Tide is the best for slime making, unless you like borax or staff flow, but I prefer Tide for myself, because for me it works better. And always add a little bit at a time, not too much, not too little. And it won't be orange anymore, so that's the one sad part. I will be back when I'm done mixing it in together. Okay, so it took me a while to knead it in, like, this took me 5 minutes for just this little slime. And don't worry, I just fell. This is actually a really good slime. Ooh. It's a bit on a sticky side if you don't like it sticky, but I prefer sticky slime than non-sticky slime because, like, it's really fun to play with. Whoa. So yeah, right now we're going to do a slime test. Oh, bubbles. Wait. I'll be right back. This needs a little bit more glue. Okay, so we're going to do the slime test right now. This is actually a really fun slime to play with. Like, I might say this a lot of times, but really fun to play with. But mine is a bit sticky, as I said, and my hair almost got stuck to it. So right now, don't mind that. I might also do some random things in future videos if you'd like. So now we're gonna do the slime test, as I said. First we're gonna do bubbles. So I'm gonna first we're gonna do the poke test. Oh my god, perfect slime does this. You know what? I'm gonna go get some more bubbles. Be right back. Back with the bubbles. Okay, I'm not gonna do this really weird, but I'm just gonna wet my finger in with the bubbles. I feel like the bubbles made it a bit glossy. Because usually Elmer's glue doesn't make it glossy, but I guess it does now. Because I added in bubbles. So, let's see what happens. Oh my god. This is a really good slime. Guys, I'm telling you, the best slime ever. Like, it stretches really nice. Like, this is the best. Look, it's really dumb. It's really cold in here. Like, I think this is a better slime that I used to make, but I don't know if you watched any of my old YouTube channels where I did slimes with my friends. The channel that was named Rainbow DIYs. I don't know if you remember that channel, but so yeah, the bubbles did make it really stretchy. So I'm thinking I should add a bit more. What do you guys say? More bubbles? Yeah, I think so. I think I should add more. Cause like, and also comment down below if you'd like to, but I don't know. Comment down below what future videos I should do, not just slime videos, but just random videos I should do, like vlogs, any type of skits, drama plays, me after one of my sports. I only have one sport, but I won't tell you because I might do a video later and also post it, but my camera is really annoying today. Oh, this is really stretchy and really sticky now. Don't add a lot of bubbles. Just add a tiny bit. Okay, so we did the poke test, that passed. And now it's time to do the crackle wackles. Do it after the bubbles. And then you do this. You attempt to do a bubble and then... Oh, okay. That's the best. Okay, now we do the bubbles. Now we attempt to do a bubble. Nope. I'm only gonna do 3 tries, that's it, but okay. That was a bubble, but it popped because I just popped it. But I don't know. Okay, I'm not doing the 3rd try, so I'm just gonna do what I like to do, are the slime swirls. Whoops, don't mind that ripped. I'm not a slime swirl queen, but I can do slime swirls. This is what it turned out to be. Sorry about that, that's my remote control. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back to this. Okay, I guess this should be the end of my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what my next video should be, if you even like this channel. And tell me what I should do next, because I'm actually really interested in what you guys think about this. So comment down below what I should do next. Okay, guys. Bye.